And I feel like some women have this stupid mentality that if he beats me, then he really loves me. I mean, who told you? Who told you that if your man beats you, he loves you? What kind of nonsense is that? He doesn't even love you in the first place. You are not even a drum, so why would he beat you? Ladies, I know that most of you entertain men that they don't want in their lives, people that they wished they live, but according to them, they don't know how to leave them, or they do not know what to do in order to leave them, just because they're so much in love with them, or maybe they love them, they have kids, and there's so many excuses. But honestly speaking, if you are not treated right, or if you feel that you are being hurt, there's no point of staying into that relationship. Just leave. Having said that, what are some of the things that when a man do, you should leave him? Number one, he always plays the victim. This man knows how to turn everything. He knows how to turn the table and make you feel like you are the one who is always wrong. Why? If you approach him on an issue, or when there's a problem and you approach him and try to tell him that whatever he did is wrong, he won't listen to you. Like, he'll make you feel, he knows a way of playing with your mind and manipulating you to an extent that you feel, enyewe, I'm the one who did wrong. When at the rerun, well, he knows very well he's the one who is wrong when you are not even the one who is wrong. So if your man always plays the victim and always makes you feel like you are always the one on the wrong, then definitely I don't see why you are with him in the first place. Because in a relationship, relationship can't be one-sided, and it can't be that there's always one person who is always hurting the other person. I mean, it's natural. People fight, people do mistakes, but it can't be just one person. Are you feeling me? Are you getting my point? Number two, he always goes away. He always goes missing. Like, you can even stay days without seeing him, weeks without even knowing where he is. I mean, if this is a routine, if this is what he normally does, if this is what he usually does, then I don't see the need of you staying with him. Honestly speaking, if you are not there, if you are not going to be there with me when I need you most, if you are not going to be there that time, I mean, what's the point? What's the point of being with this man? If he is always out, if he is always away, you don't even know his whereabouts, you don't even know if he's okay, you don't even know if something is wrong with him, and then later on he has the guts of coming back that this happened, just let me know where you are. Simple. So if this is what he normally does, then walk away, leave it. The third thing, this is a man that doesn't want to associate with your family. He doesn't want anything to do with your family. I mean, you are in this relationship, you've stayed 2 years, 3 years, and this man has never even met your sister. He has never met anyone that you are close with. I mean, what's the point? What's the point of you staying with him that much if he doesn't respect your family, if he doesn't want to do anything with your family? Then leave him. Why would you love me and you don't want anything to do with my family? Why would you love me and you don't even love where I came from, the people that gave birth to me, the people that I care so much about, the people that I'm so close to? So I feel like if he doesn't want to associate with your family, if he doesn't want to do anything with your family, leave him. Another thing, if this man never provides, like he has so many excuses, if he's not working, it's a different story. But even if if he's not working, he should try. I mean, you know, and if he's working and then never provides, what's the point of you even staying with him? I mean, where does his money goes to or from? I don't know. Where does his money go? So if he doesn't provide, you're the one who always provides everything. I mean, you're the one who knows how you guys eat. You're the one who knows how the bills are being paid. I mean, what's the point of you staying with him? If it's not out of mutual talk or anything, just leave him. Don't be with him. If your man usually criticize your body, like he criticizes everything about you, he makes you feel unworthy, he diminishes you, he makes you have this low self-esteem, I don't see the need of you staying with him or the need of you being into that relationship if he doesn't care about how you dress, if he doesn't care about your feelings. Then there's no point of you staying with him, because you can't love me, you can't say that you love me and then you don't like anything about me. I don't know if you are getting my point. Like, you don't like my body, you don't like how I look. I mean, there's nothing that you like in me. So why then do you even love me in the first place? Number 6, if your man always threatens you, he's always like, I'll kill you. He's always like, I'll do something to you that don't play with me. Like, there's nothing that he usually say nice. He's always like threatening you, like he'll kill you, he'll smash you, those bad things, you know them. So if he's this kind of a person, believe me, one day he will. And one day he'll literally kill you. And by the moment you realize it, it will be too late. So if your man does this, like whenever there's a problem, like he overreacts in a way and makes you feel threatened, like you're not safe, I mean, leave him. What's the point of staying with a man who doesn't make you feel like he truly loves you? So if he's always threatening, like he'll do something to you, something bad that will literally harm you, leave him. If your man beats you, and this is so serious, if your man beats you, ladies, if you have a man who beats you, I mean, don't stay. Even if you have kids, I mean, what are you teaching your kids? Do you know the impact that has on your kids? Yeah? Do you know, like, he's already manipulating if your man beats you, don't stay into that relationship. Don't feel like you're staying there because of your kids. He's already influencing your kids. And already, he's making your kids have all these negative thoughts. He's like influencing them. So don't dare stay there. Don't stay with someone who abuses you. Someone who beats you. I mean, it's not worth it. It's not worth it to be hurt. And I feel like some women have this stupid mentality that if he beats me, then he really loves me. I mean, who told you? Who told you that if your man beats you, he loves you? What kind of nonsense is that? He doesn't even love you in the first place. You are not even a drum, so why would he beat you? So if your man beats you, don't you dare stay there. Just the first time he lays a hand on you. I usually say that the first time my man will lay a hand on me, his hand on me, that is the first time I leave. Because you forgive him, he do it next time, you forgive me, he continue doing it, you forgive him, and then it becomes like a routine. He normalizes it. He beats you, he does all kind of these stupid things to you, and you are there. 8th thing, if your man abuses you, he rapes you. True, there are men who rapes their wives. Don't give me that look like you are surprised. There are men who rape, literally rape their wives. If your man rapes you, I mean, talk. You don't even have to talk, just leave. Because if he wants to have sex with you, it should be mutual. It should be both of you who want it. But he shouldn't rape you because you've refused. And some women are even raped during their periods. I mean, people are suffering outside here. And I just hope that this video brings some senses in you ladies. If you have this kind of man who rapes you, don't stay there, because that is an animal. How will you rape your wife, your girlfriend? And some women don't even know that they're usually raped. Sorry to say, but whatever, if he has sex with you and you are not agreeing, you didn't agree, that's automatically rape. So why should you stay into that relationship? Leave. Take it from me, leave. There's no point of a man raping you and yet I love him. You love who? You love an animal. At you, I love him, sijui he'll change. Men never change. Don't ever have that stupid mentality that you will change someone. Never. Because you can't change them. You can't change a rapist. Sorry to say. You can never change someone who hurts you intentionally. Okay? So if your man does this kind of things, just leave him. Don't even entertain him. Don't even stay there. For what? What are you staying for? You are waiting for Angel Gabriel to come and raise you, or to come and rescue you. If he does whatever mention, just leave him. Do not entertain him at all. Okay? You're too pretty. You're too smart to be entertaining someone who doesn't appreciate any bit of you. So ladies, take it from a lady. Do not entertain these things, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I love you.